G'day everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be unboxing and having a look at Auscision's brand new release of the New South Wales BGKF grain hoppers in the faded SRA. I'll be unboxing the New South Wales version, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Auscision has decided to also do the Victorian variants as well. We also have lots of graffitied wagons, both New South Wales and Victorian. The top right hand side are those two 4-car New South Wales packs, while the bottom and top left are the Victorian variants of the packs. Alrighty, time to unbox these grain wagons and we'll see how they look. Alrighty, let's put them on the track and see if they run well. So after having a look at the detail, taking it all in, they look fantastic. The detail is really good. The steps do not seem to fall off or wiggle when I had to fiddle around with them gently. They are glued on very excellent, and I think Auscision did an amazing job with them this time compared to the BGVFs, which they have pretty bad couplers. So I'm very happy with them and I think they'll run great. So looking at these KD couplers, they actually do look legitimate metal ones with springs, besides my BGVFs that look like plastic and they do decouple. So let's give these BGKFs a run, on the main line. Alrighty, so that's the end of my review and unboxing of Auscision's BGKF grain hoppers. I would definitely recommend this if you are trying to model a SSR grain rake, and they would go perfectly with the BGVFs, as you can see in the video. I've only got 4, but I would get them all, as it would look so much better having them all mixed in. So thank you all for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.